Kurumirira ndugamano iria ikoretwo ihandite gatagati-ini ga ciama cia arigitani na thirikari, riu ciama ingi cia aruti wira wa muingi ni ciranire kunyita mbaru mururungano wa arigitani kwambiriria muthi wa rucio. Ciama ici ni hamwe na ngwataniro ya arutani ya University ya UASU, ngwataniro ya arutani ya KUPPET, ngwataniro ya KAU, kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU ndomwe na kiama kia arigitani a gikiro gia clinical officers na marutite murugamo uyu makiuga thirikari ni yonanitie ndiri na wendi wa gutea ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2017 na ithenya-ini riu makoretwo makirutira arigitani mikana.
It is now official. Every public sector union should join doctors every Tuesday until the government listen to them.
MOKIRIIRE mendekithia ma minister wa uruti wa wira wa muingi Moses Kuria makwenda thirikari ikorwo gicenjia wandikani na mirutire ya wira kuma wira wa gutura nginyagia wira wa kandarathi. Atongoria ya makiuga undu ucio ni wa kuhinyiriria aruti a wira.
The promises is about improving the health services, which we are asking them to employ more staff because Kenyans take longer time waiting to be seen or rather to get services in the public sector.
That is not does not give regard to the public. The government that does not care whether people die or whether people don't get care. There is a problem.
Hamwe noguo atongoria ya moretie thirikari gwitikira gutea ngirimiti iria ikoretwo igikiranirwo gatagati-ini ga ciama na oho kunina mikana ya mahinda kwa mahinda kuri aruti a wira.
There is none between the employer, the government and the unions that is more superior than the other. And the moment they realize that, they will not have a problem with us and we shall not have a problem with them.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.